Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Thursday, February 5th, 2009. This morning I thought I'd return to ObjectStudio and go through how to display bitmaps into a bitmap element in this ObjectStudio GUI. So let's load this example. And once that's in, let's go ahead and select this and do an edit to bring it up in the designer. And you see we have two simple things here. We have a next button that says go to the next image, and then we have display area here, which is for the bitmap itself. So let's double click on that and see what that is. And you see here that, get rid of the options, this is just labeled vBitmap. It has behavior already. We don't have to hook up any methods or anything to it. It's just a display area for putting a bitmap in, so let's cancel out of that. And the next button, let's go ahead and look at that. It just is tied to vNext. So if we look at methods, that's tied to this next method that's down here, so we'll close that. And now we'll just go ahead and browse the code to see what's going on there. So let's hit browse. And we'll go over here, look at the next method, and all it's doing is grabbing the bitmap names and indexing in. So the only question you have is, where is it getting the bitmap names from? Well, that's happening here in the open initialization, which happens as things are initializing when the thing is opening up. And it just grabs this class bitmap, gets its available bitmaps, grabs this class icon, gets its available icons. If I select here and see what that gives me, do an inspect, you see it just gives me a collection of icon names, or image names rather, and these are just down here as a collection. So, see how that works when I double click on it. Open it up, I have an image there, hit next, and you can see where they're coming from in the file system. And you could go ahead using Windows tools and look at these, and you'll find out it's just pulling them and displaying them. And that's really all there is to displaying a bitmap in ObjectStudio. You just put the bitmap control out there, and it displays them. So we'll leave it there for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.